And again, what did you say?
When I'm a grown-up, I want to be a dad.
Ah, you want to be a dad?
Take care of Luna. And actually, I want to be a dad that rides a monster truck. Yeah, that heads the monster camp.
You said you wanna enjoy like being a kid.
Oo.
But I want to before it's the end of it.
Why you don't wanna sleep? Why you don't wanna go to school?
Because it's too long for me to go to school. And I always wanted to play on the slide, the bridge,
you enjoyed it because they
and
have
the
slide, right?
tricycle, and act like a wrecking crane, like a matchbox wrecking crane, and I want to go on the yellow tricycle and the angler tricycle.
Oh.
No angler tricycle. Two anglers
And then,
tricycles.
then why you don't wanna go to school if you like those games there?
Yeah.
Yeah, but the playground is all wet.
Because it was raining today.
But
You need to go to school.
but
That's why you need to sleep right now.
to this. Sorry, Baba. Sorry.
It's hard naman. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, you better sleep na. Cause you're going to school tomorrow, okay? Then when you're done on your school, you just tell me what are you doing on your school, okay?
Too long. I might bring my school, then I won't know what's going on 2 plus 1.
No, it won't exploding. It's you need to go to school so that you get better, smarter than smarter, okay? So that you can learn everything. You learn new things. You don't like that? You don't want to you don't want to learn more new things on your school?
This one, like 1,000,000 times.
Yes, you don't want to see your classmates?
Then I won't think of something.
No, I don't think so.
So
If my brain gets too huge, it might turn into an engine. Actually, it might turn into
your brain won't exploded naman. It won't happen.
brain made.
So you sleep na, okay? So that tomorrow after your school, you tell me what are you going to school, okay? Okay? I'm gonna call after your school tomorrow so that we can talk. Then tell me what are you doing on your school, so that Auntie will listen to you, okay?
I pea, blueberry.
Whoa. Okay, you tell me tomorrow what is your food, okay? Okay, I'm gonna ask you.
I only had peas, meatballs, and
Wow, that's yummy. They have rice. They have rice.
No.
Why they don't have rice?
Tomorrow I might have rice and when it's the other tomorrow, yeah, I might have waffles.
Wow, that sounds yummy.
Nobody has feeded me that.
Yes.
I hunger for those things.
Wow. So you better go to school tomorrow, okay? Okay? Because you have meals, you have yummy meals tomorrow.
Invention do I make?
Nabot na gitag invention ba? Sao na lang gini ba?
Okay.
What?
Good night to auntie na. Say good night, auntie.
Good night.
Bye.
Let's talk tomorrow again, okay? But now you should sleep early so that you will wake up tomorrow early in the morning when you're going to school. Okay?
Daddy misses ya.
Love you. Vemos na niya ay.